Hi, this is Steffi and Siggi, and I'm Stefan, and today we will show you the benefits of the disinfection unit and how to disinfect boots and helmets really easy. So, many customers use
it's a simple part for disinfection, for boot disinfection. You can pump in a little bit pressure and then you can spray out the disinfection. It's very simple to use. Next I will show you a much faster and easier way. It's a Reichmann disinfection unit. First I will show you how to install it. It's very simple. You plug it in. You have two tanks for boots and for the helmet one. You can open here. We put in the special liquid for the shoes. It smells very good, like lemon.
tube has to go in, huh?
Okay. So that's the boots one. Next is the helmet one. Here we have the liquid for the helmet. It's a special one. It's very skin friendly. You open it. And now you can use the tool. Here we have two arms for the shoes. If you put in the shoe, you press automatically the button here, and the liquid sprays here with one nozzle straightly, and with one nozzle for the tip it goes 90 degrees. I show you. And the other part is the nozzle for the helmet. You have two nozzles. They sprays up in the helmet automatically. You put in the helmet, you press automatically the button here, and it sprays in.
Now I show you how to disinfect the boots. It's very easy. So that's it. And the helmet. Smells really good.
Okay. Now you have seen how easy it is to operate the disinfection unit and the benefits of the two different liquids, that you have a special liquid for the helmets that's skin friendly. And yeah, I hope this video helps you to get a good idea about the product, and we would like to get your feedback. Thank you.